Alright, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through step by step how you can download any Windows ISO image or system image using Rufus software. So if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for the more video like this one. Alright, so let's jump right in. Alright guys, so here I am in Rufu website. So you can just click the link in the description below, or you can go to open up your browser, then type rufus.ie. Then it's gonna bring you to this website here. Here you just need to scroll down to the download section. There's a link you can see. Yeah, just scroll down to the download section. And in this tutorial, we're gonna be using Rufus 3.6 version 3.6, because the Rufus version, latest version, or version 4.2 doesn't have the feature that we're gonna use to download the ISO file. So that's what we're gonna be using. Just click here where they say other versions. So just click here. It's gonna bring you to this website here. So in this website, you're just gonna scroll down and go to older version. Click here, and then let's hide this. Then just scroll down and search for Rufus version 3.6, because it's what we need. And make sure to download the 64-bit or 32-bit depending on the system that you're running. If you're running 64-bit, make sure to download the 64-bit, or 32-bit if you're running the 32-bit system. So make sure to do that, otherwise you get error. So there is it, I can see. Alright, after you download it, you can just click that link, then you download. The download will start. After you download it, then you're gonna open up your download folder to run the software. Just open it. Alright, so just double click the software to run it. Just wait a few seconds. There's it. So here, just wait. Let's just hide this one. Alright, so just click here and then select download, and then click download again. There we go. So now it's gonna download it's running the download script. Yep. So just wait a few seconds. Just wait a few seconds. Alright, there's it. So you can see it. So here you're gonna select the Windows version that you want to download, from Windows 8.1 to to 11. So just select the window that you want. Download 11, 8.1, or 10. So here you can select and continue. Alright, so here you're gonna select. There's nothing to select here. Just continue. So here you need to select the language. Select the language and continue. Then select the system. Your system, if you want to download the 64-bit or if you want to download the 32-bit, just select it from here and then click download and check the download using browser if you want it to download from the browser. So it's going to open like this. It's going to open up your browser like this. It's going to download it from the browser. Alright, so there is a download. So it depends on your internet speed. If your internet is so fast, it's gonna just download it quick. So here. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoy it, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for the more video like this in the future. And if you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.